Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sasneem Rose. I'm so happy to see you all. Today I'm here at Hyderabad's Beehive Commune Inn. So this is basically a backpackers hostel and this is located in Banjara Hill. I'm gonna go inside and give you a small tour of my hostel, how it is. So let's not waste time and let's go inside. So you can see here I'm standing in this place. So this is actually an apartment. You can see here it's mentioned as Beehive. So this looks like an apartment and this is a road. Okay, so this is a road and I'm going inside. So now I'm entering the apartment. You can see when you enter, so this is the entrance. So you have a place here and they also have lift and I'm going to the first floor. So this is the first floor. This is how it looks. It's beautiful, right? Okay. And you can see here Beehive. They also have another floor on top. I'll show you, but first let's go inside. And you have to leave your footwear here. So I'm going to leave my footwear and I'm going to go inside. Ta-da! This is how it looks. So let's see from here what they have. So this is the entrance. I'm going to show you something. You can see here they also have this iron box, so if you have to iron your clothes you can do. And I can actually relate to this quote. This is my life. Always do whatever you are afraid to do. So let's get into balcony. Wow, look at this view. Isn't it good? See this? This is not a smoking zone. Keep it smoke free. They have a table, chair, and let's see how it looks from here. I'm gonna go inside and show you the kitchen area. So here I am. This is how the kitchen looks. Let's see here. This is actually for male dormitories. Boys will be staying over there, and this is also for boys. And for girls, we have that side. I'll show that later. Now let's see here. Look at this place. You actually get that feel-good vibe here when you come. And this is the kitchen area. So these things and all you can see, all the backpackers have got this. You have to get everything on your own, but they have plates, they have cutleries, and here they have induction stove and microwave. They also have a fridge. So if you want to prepare anything, you can get all the items and then you can prepare. And you can see here, they have vessels. And from here, if you go out, there is one more balcony. They have washing machine, and this is the balcony. Okay, and this is a storage room. Fine. Now I'm gonna show you something. Come. Also, they have a mirror here. Hi. And this is a common toilet. You can see. Okay, and each room has one toilet. So in the evening, you can come here and sit and play these games. Let's see what games are there. Scotland Yard, Scribble, Amola. They also have some books here. Okay, nice. So now I'm going to show you my room. I just entered like an hour ago, so my room will be messy, okay? Please don't judge me. And let me see, what room is this? Okay, it's locked. So this is my room. My roommate is not feeling well, so I'm not gonna take her. They have 6 beds over here, and that's my bed. I've just arranged it. I just entered. This is one room and this is one more, and this is the washroom. Washroom is okay, but it's clean. Okay. Actually, somebody is sleeping in the room. They're not feeling well, so I didn't want to shoot that. That's why I didn't show it properly. And here, can you see this? I'm gonna play evening. Okay. So this is all, okay? This is first floor, and I'm going to go to the second floor and show you. That is for working space. If you are a person who have come to work, if you're doing work from home, then that's the best place. So now we are going to the second floor. You can see here they have CCTV camera as well. So friends, let's go to the second floor. Dun, dun. So this is the second floor. You'll be shocked to see. Ta-da! This is the second floor. So they have an office setup here. If you're working from home, you can come and sit any of the places here and you can start working. So nobody disturbs you. So that's the reason they have set it up in a office. And here also they have one balcony. This looks much calm. See? Wait. So friends, if you have to book this hostel, you have to book it through booking.com or Agoda, any other app you have to book it. And once you book it, they'll give you a confirmation, and once that is done, you'll have to come here, and after that you can do the payment. So it's not like immediate payment, but if you're cancelling, they will deduct money, so you be careful. Before itself, when you know the confirmation, you can book the ticket. So now let's check this kitchen, what they have. So they have Wi-Fi connection here. So this is the kitchen. So here also they have this coffee maker, mineral water is there, and they have shelf over here. This is also a balcony. Okay. Okay, it's too noisy. I'm not sure what room this is. People are there. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm very tired. I just reached morning. I have to go get ready and I'm gonna explore the city. So I'll see you guys in my another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.